Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a peaceful winter art piece and turning it into a festive focal point above my fireplace. This project is really easy, completely budget friendly, a mix of printing, painting and adding a layers of winter greenery and soft lights. I'm so excited to take you through each step and to show you how it all came together. So make your favorite drink and let's get started.
I already had a gorgeous vintage frame, but I wanted something seasonal inside it for winter and Christmas. So I went online and found a winter landscape that I absolutely loved. Because the frame is quite large, I printed the image on a 6 A4 sheets. Once everything was printed, I trimmed the edges and started piecing the pictures together like a gentle puzzle. I glued the sheets carefully, making sure the lines matched as closely as possible. I didn't need to be perfect when it's in the frame. All the little details blend beautifully. There were empty areas around the top where the printed artwork didn't reach, so I decided to paint the missing part myself. Using the colors I already had at home, I slowly blended it in soft tones of blue, gray, and white, just building light layers until the whole sky felt like one continuous piece. part was actually really relaxing, almost like a meditation. For a final touch, I dipped into brush into white paint and gently flicked tiny speckles across the whole picture. This created a subtle snowfall effect, and honestly, it brought the entire scene to life. Once the artwork was finished, I wanted to add something a little more festive, something that would bring warmth and texture to the whole space. I started building a base layer across the top of the frame using cedar and Norfolk garlands. I let the greenery spill slightly over the sides of the frame, just enough to create a soft, overflowing look without hiding the artwork. I weave a thin string of warm fairy light through the garland. The lights add the most gentle sparkle, almost like the snow in the artwork is glowing. Next, I added burgundy stamps and purple thread berries to bring in that classic Christmas warmth. I didn't glue anything down, I simply tucked each branches into place, letting the natural shape guide the design. For an extra touch of sparkle, I added a gold garland. I also mixed in dried branches with a tiny pine cone, sea heads, and natural elements which add beautiful depth and make everything feels more organic. And this is how it turns out: a peaceful winter landscape surrounded by full, cozy Christmas garden with layers of greenery, berries, and soft, warm lights. It's completely transformed the space and make the whole room feel festive, inviting, and calm. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy cozy DIY decor, winter projects, and simple ways to make your home feel magical, I'd love to have you here. Wishing you warmth and beautiful Christmas season.